अमृतसर के श्री गुरु रामदास अंतर्राष्ट्रीय एयरपोर्ट पर अमेरिका के लॉस एंजल्स शहर की रहने वाली NRI मंजीत कौर ढिल्लों के बैग से 25 जिंदा कारतूस बरामद हुए हैं। उसे CISF की ओर से काबू करके जिला पुलिस के सुपुर्द किया गया है, जहां पुलिस ने उसके खिलाफ असला एक्ट के अधीन केस दर्ज करके मामले की जांच शुरू कर दी है। तो दूसरी ओर महिला का कहना है कि किसी ने उक्त कारतूस रखे हैं जिसके बारे में उसे कोई जानकारी नहीं है।
Regarding about this, I'm very upset. India service, you know, I'm lucky to be American citizenship. I'm proud of to be American citizenship because they take care of me right away. And Indian, they give me a hard time. I asked them that I need a lunch. I didn't get a breakfast since morning. Okay, about that one, I don't have anything to do with that. I don't have to hide anything. I don't have to do anything. I don't know. They need to investigate themselves. That's why they work for. They are police. I don't know. They need to find out. The investigation need to find out. That's what we have investigation. So I don't know who put it. Is this the first time did you find out that a person have something in the handbag not belongs to them? Is this the first time? No, right? Who's going to blame? They need to find out who they need to blame to. They need to find out the truth. I'm clean. I'm absolutely clean under by God's name. The police, I don't know what they up to. This is Indian police that I don't know. Oh no, not at all. USA nothing to do with this. I'm proud of USA. They never have doing something like that. But I think there's somebody who's trying to do something on me or whoever they are. I don't know anything about that. But leave it in God. God will answer that all the question. February 6 or 7. I'm staying in Pune because I keep going from Pune to here to there. I have two weddings that I attend. So from there I going to Amritsar. From Amritsar I going to Navashehar. Here there. I belong to US in Los Angeles. They need to find out. How do I find out? I am blind. I don't know nothing. Okay, so you know what? You know what? Let they find out. They go to school as an investigation, right? So why the investigation not doing it? So you want me to responsible what I'm not doing?
You tell me.
Yeah, you tell me. You tell me. You know all these things, right? You know all these things. This is not the first time. Like people put something in people's belongings, right? This is not the first time. So I think this is they have it in their hand. They need to find out the truth. So no matter what, I'm not afraid. I'm clean and I'm very sure I will be free. That is my promise. My business in US, I'm a contractor. I'm doing very good in for the living. Building contractor. No, I don't belong to India. I belong to America. I already answered to you, sir. It's not mine.
Hey, sir, एक American citizen मंजीत कौर ढिल्लों जेट की फ्लाइट ते जाने वास्ते अमृतसर एयरपोर्ट ते पहुंची सी। तो जदों आफ्टर बोर्डिंग कार्ड जदों इहदी CSF वालों चैकिंग की गई तो हैंडबैग चों 25 लाइव कार्टेज बरामद होए। उन्होंने CSF ने लिख के साडे हवाले की अगली कानूनी कार्रवाई करने वास्ते। अजे इन्वेस्टिगेशन तो कोई शुरू नहीं हुई, देखेंगे कित्थों आए किवें गए सारी गल चैक करांगे। हाँ इन्वेस्टिगेशन करांगे, पुछगिछ सारी गल सामने आएगी। तो CSF ने साडे हैंडओवर किया वा, असीं अगली इन्वेस्टिगेशन देखते हैं सब कुछ। असीं आर्म्स एक्ट के अधीन केस दर्ज कर रहे हैं। पुणे की रहने वाली नहीं, पुणे तो वैसे घूमन फिरन वास्ते कहंदी मैं गई सी ते वापस जा रही सी अमेरिका। अज इत्थे तां फोर फादर कोई पिछला पिंड है नहीं, इत्थे कोई नहीं रहिंदा, सारे सिटीजन उत्थों दे ही है। बोर अजे पता नहीं चल सकिया, विदेशी है। असीं आर्मोर कोल कुछ पता करदे की एक्सपर्ट कोलों असीं राय ले लैनी राइफल दे